Hi everyone, my name is Drew with Vancraft Camper Vans. We're a model manufacturer based in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we have over 10 years in the business of building and using camper vans. So I'm excited to show you what we have here today. Behind me here, we have our 2024 all-wheel drive Rover built on the Mercedes-Benz 144 chassis. So let's take a step inside and I can show you what it's all about. All right. We're inside the Rover here, and I'd like to point out our kitchen area. So we've got our countertops here, which are solid butcher block oak. Right here, you've got a built-in induction cooktop with plenty of storage underneath to store your cooking utensils and plates, bowls, things of that nature. And then underneath the countertop here, you've got your fridge space to help maximize your counter space and keep everything nice and organized. So turning around from your countertop space with the cooktop, you're met with the sink area, which is easily pressurized by a button so that you can start using your running water. We've got our seating and sleeping area. And in the seating area, you've got a lot of storage underneath the seat. You've also got a drawer here so you can store your lagoon table or any other bulky items. You've also got closet space here and more storage. Here in the sleeping area, we have a device that allows you to sleep north to south instead of east to west. So by pulling out this bench back extension, that extends the sleeping area to 6'4" in length to comfortably sleep 2 adults. In the Rover, it comes standard with 320 watts of solar panels on the roof, which connect to 200 amp hours of battery capacity. And that ensures that you have ample power to charge all your devices, run your induction cooktop, and just make sure that when you're out there, you have power. We're here in the back of the Rover in the garage space. As you can see, you have ample storage capacity. You can fit up to 2 full-size mountain bikes, skis, snowboards, really whatever you don't want in your living space can fit back here. There's also a pass-through to the living area, so you can store things that you might use more frequently and conveniently access them. Over here, on the other side, we have our 40-gallon water tank, which helps to service your sink, as well as the instant hot water shower that you have back here. This hot water shower runs on a 1-pound propane bottle that, if you're using it every day, can last you about a week while you're out camping. All right, guys, that was the 2024 all-wheel drive Rover. As a company here at Vancraft, we have a big rental fleet of camper vans, and we think it's really important to get in a van and test it out before you buy. And what you saw today in the Rover is a culmination of all of the feedback that we've received over the years. So you're getting everything you need and nothing you don't. And for those of you who are ready to buy, who know what you want, we're currently running a sale on our all-wheel drive Rovers and Rover XLs. So head on over to our website to check out more information about that.